Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone type and OS. This avoids wrong menus. Once done, back up any customizations or screenshots so you can restore visuals later. Now open Settings and navigate straight to Display or the Themes app. Do not wander through unrelated menus. You will act on the Theme Manager next, so keep the screen awake and battery above 20% to prevent interruptions. This initial focus saves time and prevents accidental data loss while you remove the theme. You will now disable or uninstall the active theme. Find the active theme listing and choose Disable, Revert, or Apply Default so system icons and fonts return to stock. If the theme was installed from a store, tap Uninstall or Remove to eliminate files. Once removed, make sure to clear cache and data for the Themes app via Settings apps to avoid leftover assets. This step ensures the phone uses the native UI. If wallpaper persists, replace it manually to confirm full reversion. Complete the process by restarting your phone to fully apply changes. After reboot, inspect icons, fonts, and wallpaper to confirm restoration. If remnants remain, reinstall the stock theme package or reset theme settings to factory defaults. This repairs broken or partial installs. If things still go wrong, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party theme app is forcing visuals. Uninstall offenders from there. You now have a clean UI, and this troubleshooting tip helps isolate stubborn theme conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.